Quick question. Which sentence is correct? This is my bag, or this bag is mine. Now, are both right? And if so, when do you use which one? If you're not completely sure, you're in the right place. Because my and mine, your and yours, their and theirs, these pairs confuse learners every single day. Today we explain the difference with one simple rule that works for every possessive in English. No grammar jargon, just clear, real English. Stay with us. Hello and welcome to the Porch English, the podcast that takes the confusing parts of English grammar and makes them clear, simple, and permanent. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Ryan. And I'll be honest, I got these wrong for a long time. Not because I didn't know the words, but because nobody ever gave me the one rule that makes it obvious. Today, Amanda is going to give you that rule.
And once you have it, you'll never mix them up again. Because there really is just one rule. One question you ask yourself. And the answer tells you which word to use every single time.
Before we start, please follow or subscribe to the Porchlight English. New episode every day, always free. And your challenge? At the end, try all 6 practice questions before you hear the answers. Okay, Amanda, give us the foundation.
Here is the entire lesson in one question. You ask yourself this before choosing the word. Is there a noun coming after this possessive word? If yes, use the shorter form. My, your, his, her, our, their. If no, use the longer form. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
That's genuinely it?
That's genuinely it. The shorter words, my, your, her, our, their, are like magnets. They need a noun right after them. They're reaching forward. They cannot stand alone. My bag, your phone, her jacket, our house, their car. The noun completes them.
And the longer words, mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs, they stand alone. They're complete in themselves. No noun needed. No noun allowed. It's mine, not it's mine bag.
Exactly. And that mistake, mine bag or yours car or theirs house, is the one we're fixing today. Because once you feel the rule that the shorter form needs a noun and the longer form doesn't, you will never make it again.
Let me try some examples so listeners can feel it. This is my coffee. My, short form, followed immediately by the noun, coffee. This coffee is mine. Mine, long form, no noun after it, just mine.
Both sentences mean the same thing. Both are completely correct. The difference is just where the possessive sits in the sentence. If it comes before the noun, short form. If it stands alone at the end, long form.
Let's go through every pair so you have the complete picture clearly in your head.
I, my, and mine. This is my decision. Short form, noun follows. The decision is mine. Long form stands alone.
You, your and yours. Is that your seat? Short form, noun follows. Is that seat yours? Long form, no noun after it.
He, his, and his. Now here's an interesting one. Both forms of he are spelled the same, his. But you still apply the same rule. That's his jacket. Noun after it, his jacket. That jacket is his. Stands alone, his.
She, her, and hers. This one is different from the others because her is also used for something else in English. Her can mean belonging to her, possessive. But her is also used as an object pronoun. I called her. Today we're focused on the possessive use. Her bag, noun after it. That bag is hers. Hers, with an S, stands alone.
We, our, and ours. That's our project. noun after it. Our. That project is ours. No noun. Ours. And notice the pronunciation. Ours sounds like ours. The S is a Z sound. Make sure it's audible.
They, their and theirs. It's their responsibility. Noun, their. The responsibility is theirs. Alone, theirs. Also a Z sound at the end. Theirs, not theirs. Theirs. The Z ending matters. If you drop it, it can sound like you said a different word entirely.
And one important note, in English, these possessive words don't change based on whether the noun is singular or plural, masculine or feminine. My book, my books, both use my. It never changes. Her friend, her friends. Her stays the same. This is actually one of the ways English is simpler than many other languages.
Let's talk about why this matters in everyday English. Because it comes up constantly. In questions, in answers, in short exchanges, everywhere.
One of the most common situations. Someone holds something up and asks, "Whose is this?" Or they say, "Is this yours?" And the natural answer is a short one. Yes, it's mine. No, it's hers. It might be theirs.
In those answers, you don't repeat the noun. Someone asks, "Is this your phone?" You don't say, "Yes, it's my phone." Well, you can, but more naturally, you just say, "Yes, it's mine." The long form replaces the noun entirely. It means, "Yes, it's mine." You don't need to say phone again.
That's such a useful way to think about it. The long form saves you from repeating something the other person just said. Efficient, natural, real.
And in questions, whose questions are answered with the long form almost always. Whose umbrella is this? It's hers. Whose turn is it? It's ours. Whose fault is this? Honestly, it might be mine.
A very relatable answer. And notice, in all of those answers, no noun follows the possessive. It's hers, it's ours, it's mine. Long form, stands alone, perfect.
Versus if you're starting a sentence by saying what belongs to you. My train leaves in 10 minutes. Our meeting starts at 3. Their office is on the 2nd floor. Short form, noun right after it, every time.
Let's go through the mistakes that come up most often and fix them cleanly.
Mistake 1. Using the long form before a noun. Someone writes, "Mine car is parked outside." Wrong, because there is a noun after it. Car. So you need the short form. My car is parked outside.
Mistake 2. Using the short form at the end of a sentence with no noun. Is this book your? Wrong. Your is reaching forward for a noun, and there isn't one. The correct version is this book yours? Yours stands alone. No noun needed.
Mistake 3. Forgetting the S on the end of the long forms. Someone says, "I think that bag is her." Her is the possessive adjective, the short form. It needs a noun. Standing alone, you need hers. I think that bag is hers.
And that mistake, dropping the S, often happens not in writing but in speech. When you're talking fast, the S or Z sound at the end can disappear. Yours, hers, ours, theirs, all of them end with a Z sound. Make sure it's there when you speak.
Mistake 4. And this is a specific one for there and there and there. These three sound identical in natural speech. There, possessive. It's their house. There, location. The house is over there. There, contraction of they are. They're arriving tonight. In speech, context tells you which one it is. In writing, Spelling matters completely.
So the full rule, stated cleanly, noun coming after, short form. My, your, his, her, our, their. No noun after, long form. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. That's the only decision you need to make.
Let's do a full natural conversation where all the possessives appear. Listen for every my, mine, your, yours, his, hers, our, ours, their, theirs. Notice which form is used and why.
Amanda and Ryan are clearing up after a team event at the office. Let's go.
Amanda, is this your laptop or did someone leave it here?
Oh, that's mine. I left it on the table during the presentation. Thanks.
No problem. And whose jacket is this? I found it on the chair by the door.
I think that's Sarah's. I mean, it's hers. She was wearing one like that earlier.
I'll put it aside. Our coats are on the rack, right?
Yes, ours are on the far left. The ones on the right belong to the other team.
Got it. And this bag, is it theirs? There are some folders inside with their name on.
Yes, that's their bag. Leave it by the door and I'll let them know.
Done. What about this mug? It's got my initial on it, so I think I know whose it is.
Is it yours?
It is. My sister gave it to me. I bring it every day.
Nice. Okay, I think that's everything. Our room looks clear.
Agreed. Good meeting today, by the way. I think the presentation went well.
It did. And that was your idea originally. The visual format really worked.
Let's review. Your laptop. Short form, noun follows. Mine. Long form, stands alone. Hers. Long form, stands alone. Our coats. Short form, noun follows. Ours. Long form, stands alone. Their bag. Short form, noun follows. Theirs, implied through their name. My sister. Short form, noun follows. Yours. Long form, stands alone. Your idea. Short form, noun follows. Every single one following the same rule.
Now your turn. I'll say the sentence with a blank. Say the answer out loud before Ryan gives it. Apply the rule. Is there a noun coming after or not?
Ready.
1. Where is blank car? We're going to be late.
Our car. Noun follows. Car. Short form. Our car.
2. Give me your email address and I'll give you underscore, underscore, underscore.
Mine. No noun after it. Long form. I'll give you mine.
3. That house on the corner. It's blank.
Theirs. No noun after it. Long form. It's theirs.
4. Is that blank office? The one on the 14th floor?
Your office. Noun follows. Office. Short form. Your office.
5. Are those keys blank?
Hers. No noun after it. Long form. Are those keys hers?
6. Whose laptop is that? It's underscore, underscore, underscore.
Mine. No noun. Standing alone. Mine. 6 for 6 using one rule. Noun coming after, short form. Standing alone, long form.
And if you got any wrong, go back to part 1 and listen again. The rule is simple. It just needs to click. And when it does, it stays clicked.
One final thing. Pronunciation. Because getting the grammar right is only half the job. If people can't hear the ending of the word, they might not catch which form you're using.
The long possessive forms, yours, hers, ours, theirs, all end with a Z sound, not an S sound, a Z. Yours, hers, ours, theirs. That voiced Z at the end is what distinguishes these from other words.
If you drop the Z ending, especially in fast speech, yours might sound like your. Hers might sound like her. Theirs might sound like their. And suddenly your grammar sounds wrong even if you chose the right word.
So practice saying them clearly. Mine, one syllable, clean ending. Yours, yours. His, his. Hers, hers. Ours, ours. Theirs, theirs. Repeat each one out loud. Exaggerate the ending at first, then bring it to natural speed.
And one note on his specifically. His is used as both the short form and the long form. His book. That book is his. Same word, both positions, both are correct. Context tells you which job it's doing.
Let's close with the clearest possible summary. One rule, forever.
Is there a noun coming right after the possessive word? Yes, use the short form. My, your, his, her, our, their. No, use the long form. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
Short form plus noun. My bag, your phone, her jacket, our house, their car. Long form alone. It's mine, it's yours, it's hers, it's ours, it's theirs.
And all long forms except his end with a Z sound. Make sure it's audible when you speak.
Your challenge. Write 2 sentences for each possessive pair. One using the short form with a noun, one using the long form standing alone. 6 pairs, 12 sentences. Leave them in the comments. We read every single one.
Thank you so much for listening to the Porch Light English. Please follow or subscribe wherever you're listening. New episode every single day, completely free. Share this with someone who mixes up my and mine. One rule. That's all they need.
From the Porch Light English, keep the light on. See you tomorrow.
Bye for now.